All right, Danny, what's going on with the car?
What car? This one?
Yeah.
Looks like we're getting things ready to get this motor out.
You look like it's such a fucking greaser right now. The slick back hair and the black shirt, the cuff jeans. Why are you so cool?
You know,
it's unfair. Give me some. Give me some.
I try.
Give me some of your cool.
Laying it out.
Fresh ground cool.
You know,
Whatever.
I try not to be.
Mm-hmm.
But what can I do?
Yeah.
I'm just one man. Today in the morning they confirmed it. And we've been like fucking around.
Somewhere on the motor. So if you take the whole motor out? Nope. Show it? Whew. You think so?
I'm taking a break because
It's almost nice out. Mm-hmm. This is Ben. Say hi, Ben. Okay, bye, Ben. I said bye, Ben. Get.
Oh, I gotta go.
No.
I'm leaving.
How's it feel to be the one hard worker in the group?
I'm used to it.
Yeah?
Yeah. Don't you notice the more dirty one out of the group?
Well, I know that you like work on your car more, but I thought that was just because you make mistakes.
Yeah, that's probably right. You're probably right about that.
Hey, you know what? We got to spin it. It's all about marketing.
Yeah.
You're a hard worker.
I create the work, you know? I create the problems and I create the work, so.
That's marketing. They made the whole Wolf of Wall Street movie off that shit.
Exactly. So, you know, some see it as a bad thing, but I look at it as a good thing. Because I bend this pipe everywhere.
Oh, yeah. Hey, we don't need that shit.
Nope. Sure don't.
Heat shield? More like extra weight.
Yeah. Ooh. Well, the power's going right here.
Look at all that.
The test is shooting for one of the tests is
That's nice. It's gonna look nicer
Without
with
that.
yeah, without that. With open headers.
Right.
And we're just gonna flip these around too, right?
Right, exactly.
God.
Okay, Danny? It's coming, bro. I told him at the door.
Nice.
That's weird.
Is that the gear oil?
No.
What is that?
Power steering.
Power steering.
It's the wrong color.
Oop. Bleeding time. Wait, can you just tighten it?
No, we have to take it off.
Oh, we have to take it off.
Yeah.
You said that's the wrong one?
No. It's they're using whoever put fluid in here used the wrong fluid. It's not supposed
Oh,
to
that's
be,
the wrong color.
Yeah. It's not supposed to be that color.
They use just like,
So Nissan, for whatever reason, they use hydraulic oil or whatever, which is ATF. Power steering fluid, or maybe it's the opposite way around. Power steering is usually hydraulic fluid, just like normal hydraulic fluid, like brake fluid or whatever. But Nissan uses ATF, which just has a different compound and makeup. And the biggest reason why is the steering rack where the power steering fluid goes in has different seals, and the hydraulic fluid you normally use like for brake lines and normal power steering lines will eat through the seals. So that's why it leaks, or that's why the boots rip. It's because they're using the wrong shit.
gotcha.
Yeah. There you go. Why is this hard? This kind of sucks.
Oh damn!
That's the homie?
Yeah, you have the same ones, bro. But they busted.
Dude, but they busted down here.